This is my channel. I hope you guys are all staying safe and doing well. Today my boxing is going to be Aroma Reveal. As you have watched from my previous videos, I am playing catch up for probably from, what are we in, April, from maybe the end of February and March. So I had Aroma Reveal, so I'm thinking this might be the early March's unboxing. This is a monthly subscription. I will leave the price going across the screen and a link below. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the content and you like this video. Tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future uploads, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. So I do have major allergies this time of year. I'm on my, excuse me, I'm on my inhaler. So I'm avoiding the outside because everything is blooming and it's just killing my allergies. So let's get into it. It's probably not the box to be unboxing during allergy season, but I just love this box. It is just a great lifestyle box. It has Unveil Your Serenity, and look at how great it's packaged. So it has a card in it. And again, I will leave the link below if you'd like to check it out. And something dropped out. It did drop out. And of course it has my red little trail mix to follow me around the house. And this looks like a candle. Not sure. I have to be very careful with this box because it smells so good. It looks like it's a perfume that you put maybe on your wrist, so I'm going to avoid that, but it does smell really good. Yeah, I haven't been, yeah, it's a solid perfume. And it's Serenity Surprise, but look at the nice packaging that it came in, until of course it fell out. I can't light any candles or use any heavy perfumed items until my allergies calm down, but once they're gone, it's out there. I'm going overboard. Then, oh, isn't this cute? Color Bash Cosmetics Don't Make Me Blush Shimmer Blush Palette. Look at how cute that is. I don't see the prices in here. I can't remember. So you open it up. I have my door open, so if you hear the birds, they just love to be on our patio out here. Wow. Look at the size of that blush. And I'm loving the color. It is a perfect rose color. So that is really nice. Yeah, I don't think it's got... You can choose a monthly subscription or 3-month. This is off of Cratejoy. I will leave a link. But they've been coming out with some really great boxes on Cratejoy as well, because I think they're getting a lot of new people signing up because they know that we can't go out. And I've been ordering some new boxes for my channel, so please stick around and watch for those. And then we got Anna Martina Franco. It's on a shirt. I'm thinking it's a brush case or pencil case, but there's nothing in it but paper. But what a great brush case. That's really pretty. Kind of goes with the theme of the colors we got going on here. And Cuticle Revitalizer Oil Rose. Okay, I have a question. How many of you had to remove your nails because you can't get to a nail salon? I am one of those. So I had to take them off, and of course now they can breathe, and I'm trying to do my own nails. Of course, I'm just filing and that. I try to paint them with nail polish, but doing all the dishes and washing your hands, they just don't last. So this is super nice. It's a cuticle oil. So hopefully when we can go back and get our nails done, they won't be a hot mess and the nail people won't like run away from me. So that is super nice, and it's keeping with this rose theme going on this month. The next thing is Floor and Bee, and it is Rose and Shine Refreshing Rose Water Toner. So, excuse me, in most of my boxes I've been getting like a toner. I won't spray it, but look at how pretty the bottle is. It is a really nice bottle, and I bet you it smells good, except I can't spray it. Then I got a little thank you for your order. Have a nice day. If you have any issues with this purchase, please contact Quality Control. So it's a really nice card. There's a lot of stuff in here. I can't remember, $29.39, but again, it'll be posted by the time you see it. Oh, it's nail polish. Wow, look at the wrapping. There's a glare in there. Looks like it's a red nail polish. And to me, red is always the hardest to work with. Yeah, the problem is with washing your hands so much, unless you have a really good top coat, it just doesn't want to stay. But this is crazy. It's like a red pink, but look at the top on this. Can you see that? That is a cool bottle. Ignore the nasty nails. I might have to try this. Wow. And right on top is scented soap petals. Wow, what a great thing to put in your bathroom. But I guess those are soaps. How pretty are those? Not gonna open them, because if they do have an overwhelming smell, I'll probably just fall over right now. But that's really nice. I wish they put prices in here. This is a nice, exfoliating foot masks. Okay, I'm going to use this tonight. There's so many products I got. I opened like 4 or 5 boxes today, and there's so many products I said I'm going to use. So this is going to top them. So that's really nice, and it's a rose foot mask. So what a great thing they got going on here with rose. Of course, those of you who don't like rose probably would not like this box. And, oh, Victorian Rose Tea. And there is three tea bags in here. Bet you that tastes really good. And there's one more thing in this box. This is really a great month. There are, by Nicole Miller of New York, there is a powder brush, a foundation brush, and a contour brush. I haven't known them to put a lot of makeup products in there, but this is great. So we got the, sorry, I'm itching my nose. We got the brushes, we got the rose petal soaps, and obviously their theme was rose. We got the rose blush. This was such a nice big blush. We got the rose spray, water spray, the rose tea bags, the rose foot mask, the rose nail polish, and the rose cuticle oil. And this must be for the brushes they sent us. And the, must smell kind of like roses. The balm, perfume balm. And that was it. And I think my subscription had expired for this and I didn't renew. So as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm gonna go renew, because this, and oh, I wish I remember how much it was. It wasn't super pricey, and for everything that you get in it, it was well worth it. So leave your comments below. Let me know what you thought. I know a lot of people really don't like a rose scent because it sometimes is overpowering, but not every box is rose. But I do like a lot of the products. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.